Hi, boys and girls, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about factors and investigating and finding out what is a factor. So, a factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. So, in our multiplication equations, we have two factors that multiply together to get a product. We also have a factor pair. So a factor pair are two factors in a multiplication equation. So we call both of those factors together a factor pair. So every multiplication equation has two factors which make a factor pair. So if I wanted to find the factors of 36, I'm going to start with 1 and the product. The product would be 36. That's my overall number I'm trying to get to. So I'm going to start with 1 times 36. So 1 and 36 equals 36. I'm going to draw an arrow connecting the 1 and the 36 just to visually keep my ideas in place. Then I'm going to think, can 2 go into 36? I know 36 is an even number, so I know 2 is a factor of 36. Then I have to go through and figure out what would I multiply times 2 to get to 36. I know 2 can go into 3 with a remainder of 1, and that would make 16, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 2 and 18 are factors of 36. I'm going to continue going up and finding all of my factors until I cannot do anymore. So I have 2 and 18. I'm going to draw my arrow. Now I'm going to figure out, can 3 go into 36? I know 3 can go into 3 equally, and 3 can go into 6. So my 3 and 12 are both factors of 36. I'm going to draw an arrow for those. I also know that 4 times 6 is 36. So 4 and 6 are factors of 36. All right, so now I'm down to 4 and 6. When I have two factors that are close to each other and no other factor will work. So the next number up would be 5. 5 cannot go into 36. And then after 5 is 6. So I know 4 and 6 are the very last pair of factors that will go into 36. I know I found them all. My arrows help me in putting them in number order. Also helps me keep that all organized so I know that I'm done. So now I have all of my factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, and 36 are all factors of 36. Well, another question that we might come across is how many factor pairs are there for 36? So remember, a factor pair is when we put the two numbers together that make 36. I can count how many pairs I made by using the arrows to help me count. So I know we had 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, and 4 and 6. So I have 4 arrows. Therefore, there are 4 factor pairs for 36. So we're going to be looking at two different things. Finding a factor, remembering a factor is a number that is multiplied by another number to find a product. So just simply the numbers that we multiply together. So a factor times a factor. And also looking for factor pairs. Factor pairs are two factors in a multiplication equation. So the two factors that are multiplied together make a factor pair. I hope you found this helpful. Please click like below and subscribe for more math lessons from the Math Maniac. Have a great day.